So you are addicted to buying plants for your home. I understand. You aren't alone, I assure you. I heard they started a local Plants Anonymous, so make sure to get signed up for that. But in the meantime, you need chic and cool ways to house your new plants, and we're here to help. This simple and affordable DIY project is sure to add some real flair to any room of your home. A few tools, the blueprint, and some simple materials is all you need to get started. The obvious question here, what do you pot in your new plant stand? For me, I'm adding these guys to my arsenal, so I can keep away any pesky flies and other pests. Check in tomorrow to see our next DIY project for a very cool outdoor table with a built-in ice bucket. See you then.